Hey guys, General Mechanic, another quick video, and I hope you're having a great time right now. And today I'm gonna show you how to set the timing on a 2007 4.0 Dodge engine. This is a 2007 Nitro, and I am about to set the timing on it. So first of all, I'm gonna give you some tips how to preset the timing gears or camshaft. Let's call it camshafts. If you look at this cover right here, this is like the inner timing case. You're gonna see some big cuts right here. Those are the timing marks, the upper timing marks, or actually the camshaft sprocket timing marks. So if you look down from this thing right here, look straight down, you're gonna try to get the lock key hole on the camshaft at 6 o'clock, looking down on the camshaft. If you pay attention, the lock keyhole on this thing is right here. So kind of, we're almost perfect on the timing mark right there. Come to the other side, same thing. Both of the camshaft are gonna have to be facing down. You see the keyhole right there? All right, look straight down. 6 o'clock. Look at my finger nail tip down there. 6 o'clock. That's presetting the timing on the camshaft gears right there. Now, if you come down to the crankshaft sprocket, you're gonna find like a little sticking out tooth right here. That's gonna be your sprocket mark, and you're gonna find a little arrow right there. That's gonna be your oil pump case or housing mark to align both of them. If you see, I'm pretty much dead center right there, close to be perfect. And once you got those marks right there, that is if you had to take the sprockets off from the camshaft. Now, if you didn't, we're gonna have to slide them in right there. Remember, we got the lock key facing down, so that's pretty much how we're gonna try to get them in. Slide them in there. Look at the marks. If you're looking down, we are almost perfect. So those are the two marks you need to align. I'm actually on time right there. If you look at it, yep. All right. Again, you can find the mark. There's like a little cut line on the sprocket. That's gonna be your timing mark on the sprocket. Put it in there, facing down again. If you look at it, I'm close, really close to be perfect. I'm actually almost at that center right there. So again, when you set the timing belt, you start from the side from the opposite side of the tensioner, let's call it like that. So you're gonna come up from this side, come around here, go down on the water pump, come up and go down, and then you fit it in the tensioner. Another quick tip I can give you, if you're gonna reuse your timing belt tensioner, all I had to do to get it loose enough was bring the bolts down far enough. You can see I got them down like a half of an inch, both of them, and that's gonna give you enough clearance for you to move the tensioner up, back and forth. From there on, you can just go back, tighten them bolts evenly, one behind the other, so you can stretch or put tension to the timing belt. So that's pretty much the tip I can give you right now. I'm gonna go ahead and set the timing belt on it, and then I'm gonna bring you back and I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be looking like before I put tension to the belt. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so as you see, I got that timing belt set, as I told you, and right now I don't have any tension on, so you might see it a little off, just a little bit. And if you pay attention to these marks, they look pretty decent. This one right here looks a little off, but as you know, when I put a little tension to the belt, it's gonna come to life. So, and what I was telling you on the tensioner, see that there was enough play for me to leave it loose like that. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie those two little bolts evenly, one behind the other, and so we can create tension. And we're gonna see how it's looking when we get it all tied up. Okay, so we'll see where it goes. Okay guys, so I then got it tightened up. As you can see, I got both of the bolts on the tensioner done. Tensioner is being tightened up. The camshaft sprockets bolts being torqued down. You can see the timing mark is right on there. Right on there. Let's go to the other side. You can see the timing mark right on there. We'll go down there. Timing mark is right on the spot. So this is the timing set up, timing mark, timing belt set up on a 2007 Dodge Nitro or 2007 Dodge 4.0 liter engine. I'll show you how to do it, preset it, and hopefully this can be helpful to you trying to do this job. It's not a hard job to do once you got it all apart. You know, it's simple little steps that you gotta follow, but besides that, you know, it was a really easy job to set the timing belt on there. So hopefully, you know, you find this helpful, and if you like the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, share the video if you can, but the main thing is subscribe for more videos. I got more videos coming. Okay, so have a blessed day guys, and thank you for watching again.